Hey, what's up everyone? I am Shafayat from Unlock Therapy. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about unlocking your iPhone XS so it works with any carrier. Whether you're switching networks or selling your phone, I'm going to show you all the steps to get your device unlocked. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check if your iPhone is locked. First things first, let's see if your iPhone is even locked. Go to Settings, General, About, and scroll down until you see Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, you're good to go. Your phone is already unlocked. But if not, don't worry, we got you covered with the next steps. Step 2. Contact your carrier. Now, if your iPhone is locked, the easiest way to unlock it is by contacting your carrier. You'll need to meet their eligibility requirements, like making sure the phone is fully paid off or your account is in good standing. Once everything checks out, they can unlock it remotely. Here's a quick rundown for the big carriers. AT&T, head to their unlock portal and follow the steps. T-Mobile, log into your account and submit a device unlock request. Verizon, good news, most Verizon phones are automatically unlocked after 60 days. Sprint, you'll need to use T-Mobile's unlock request page since they're merged now. Step 3, use an online unlocking service. If your carrier can't or won't unlock it, no worries. You can still use a third-party unlocking service. Just be careful to pick a reputable one. Some options people use include Dr. SIM, UnlockBase, or Direct Unlocks. These services usually come with a fee, but they get the job done. Step 4. Use a SIM card unlocking tool. Another method is using a SIM card unlocking tool, like an RSIM or Gevi SIM. These little tools are sold online and help bypass the lock on your iPhone. Just keep in mind, this isn't always the most reliable option, so use it as a last resort. Step 5. Unlock via iTunes. Once your carrier gives you the green light to unlock your phone, insert a SIM card from a different carrier. Connect your iPhone to iTunes, and you should see a message saying, "Congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked." And just like that, you're done. For more information, visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you unlock your iPhone XS. If it did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.